Look at this weather. Sobrang maulap. Mukhang meron tayong panibagong content na magagawa. Ha? Pag nagtuloy-tuloy itong ulan, umaambon na ngayon kasalukuyan. Mabibinyagan natin itong ating si Pajero Haribon Putim ng Driving in the Rain. First time in Abu Dhabi. Blessing, baptism of we will call it baptism of the rain. Ha? Diba? Luwalakas ang ambon. Magtutuloy-tuloy sa ulan to. Nandito pa rin tayo sa work mode vlogging location opposite the Abu Dhabi National Aquarium. Ay, nako. Ayos. Diba, lakas ang ambon. Baka magtuloy-tuloy ito, maging ulan. Yari ka, Haribon. Mag-aamos ka ngayon. Mapuputikan ka first time. Mag-aamos ka. Malinis ka ngayon, puti. Pero tignan natin mamaya bago tayo umuwi. Baka maamos ka na. Ay, mabablog kita ng tampisaw sa ulan. Tampisaw sa ulan si Haribon. Ay, nagtampisaw sa ulan si Haribon. Nagtampisaw sa ulan si Haribon. Maya-maya tignan natin pag lumakas ang ulan. Yay! Kung napapansin nyo, pero ayan na. Nablesingan na ng unang ulan. Unang ambon na baka magtuloy sa ulan. Si Haribon Putim. Ay nako, maliligo ka ngayon sa ulan. Driving in the rain. Yay, 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 yay. Yan saya nito. Magpuputik mag-aamos. Nako pa tayo, maglilinis na naman tayo nito. We are driving on a drizzle rain. I don't know if you can watch that in the windscreen. But the sky had really turned darker now, or does it only because it's already almost evening time? It's 5 p.m. already, and we know that the sun sets very early on this time of the year, winter time. Evening is much longer. That's why it's colder also. I think it's around 13 to 14 hours evening time, something like that. Coupled with this slight drizzle rain, wow, and temperature is really dropped down. Now it's 22 degrees. It's going to be a cold evening. And we're just enjoying the cruise around the 90 kph. Only for rush. I would wish the rain will slightly fall a little more. We can better capture it. And see. Nice. Drizzle rain on a cold afternoon, and we're driving again on a point of view mode. This time it's a little blue. lovely evening, but not good for camping. The rain falls this evening. It's going to be a wet night. It will totally spoil the fun for bonfires or outdoor barbecues. I hope this weekend it's going to be a nice, good weather, dry and cold. Preparing for the weekender outdoor barbecue party gathering. It's going to be fun. Yeah, the rainfall is picking up. Nice. And it's also rush hour now. People coming back from work. Everybody's coming back from work, even me. Done almost for the day. It's a vlog work day. Blessing for you, Haripon. It's a blessing of the light, cold, drizzle, rainy afternoon. Indeed, life gets better and better. Just have to pick up the positivity, more positivity, the law of attraction. Think more positive, then attract more positivity. Yes, that's the law of the universe, the law of attraction. Getting less here. And that's the end of the rain. Drizzling rain. Okay, that's it for today. Shout out, beautiful friends. I hope you keep liking, subscribing, sharing and commenting to my channel. And please suggest for more contents, more topics, even for more improvements to be done on our blog, editing, etc., etc., so that we will both enjoy our time together. Have a good day, friends. Take care always.